Hi, friends! Today we're going on a fun adventure with the letter A. Are you ready? Let's go! Look, our first animal is an alligator. Snap, snap! It has big teeth and loves to swim. Ant, so tiny but super strong. It can carry food bigger than itself. Whoa! Armadillo, it has a hard shell-like armor. Roll, roll! Albatross, a big bird that flies over the ocean. Ape, it swings on trees and loves bananas. Time for some yummy A fruits. First we have an apple, crunchy and sweet. Apricot, it's small, round, and super juicy. Avocado, it's creamy and perfect for guacamole. Yum! Acai berry, tiny and purple. It makes yummy smoothies. Asian pear, it's round like an apple but tastes like a pear. Crunch, crunch! Fruity and fun. What's your favorite? Now, let's look at some amazing things that start with A. Anchor. It keeps boats from floating away, plop, into the water. Alarm clock. Beep, beep. Time to wake up. Astronaut. Someone who goes to space. Zoom. Arrow. It flies fast through the air. Swish. Wow, so many cool A things. Let's cheer A, yay! That was so much fun! You learned animals, fruits, and things that start with A. Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. See you next time!